My summer self versus my winter self is such a big difference. I always feel like a way better version of myself during summer. I'm tan, I'm going outside, the sun being out makes me productive, wearing less makeup, like I live for the summers. So this week I'm gonna be filming a summer vlog. Right now I'm in Cabo with my boyfriend and his family. It has been so amazing. I've just really needed a relaxing vacation. So we've been at the pool, we've been swimming in the ocean, going out to dinner, taking pictures. I've been trying to enjoy my summer as much as possible, but I really needed just a relaxing time away. Tomorrow we have the spa. I'm so excited. I've been using this camera to take pictures recently. I've been loving like the digital camera look with the flash. So I just took pictures in this outfit that I'm wearing right now. My bikini is from Bomba Swim, my top is from Free People, and then my shorts are Hollister. And then I have my jewelry and my new necklace. Enzo got this for me at a shop yesterday here. It's so cute. So I'm gonna head back down to the pool. I'll show you around the resort, and I'm excited because I'm gonna get dressed up for dinner. Here is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this red bikini that I've had for a long time. And then my new pants I just got on this trip. I have on this tank top from Urban. I just feel like it's so cute. And then my sunglasses. I'm proud of myself for lasting more than a minute in the steam room.
Hey, we're just getting to the airport back from our amazing Cabo experience.
Today's video is sponsored by Thredup. I am so obsessed with this website. I love the idea of thrifting and buying secondhand, but I always get so tired digging through clothes in store and trying to find something I like. Thredup is a website that resells new or barely used clothes, and you can shop by brand, style, or outfit, which I love. Especially with back to school coming up, I love getting my new outfits and coming into school, especially that first week. And Thredup is the perfect place to go. So I'm gonna show you guys the super cute clothes that I got. My favorite item I found on Thredup are these boots. I've been wanting like some knee-high, super cute boots for so long, and these were perfect. I was so excited to find these, especially for fall time coming up. Next, I got this white tank top, which is super flowy and cute. It also is in great condition. Next, I found this dress. It's a super soft gray long sleeve dress, and it ties. There are so many ways you could wear this and for so many occasions. This bag is probably my favorite thing I got. This is a Coach little shoulder bag, and I've wanted it for so long. It's just such a staple piece. It's so cute. I'm so excited to style this. I also found this denim skirt, and I've wanted one for so long, especially to match my new boots. I got this top in this green color. I'm so excited to wear this for fall. All of these are like such fall pieces. And then I bought this top again for fall. It would be so cute. And then lastly, I got this mini dress. It's strapless and cute. It's like pretty flowy, and I just love the pattern. If you guys want to find similar pieces to the ones that I just showed, then click the link in the description to shop Thredup. You guys can use my code to get 40% off and free shipping on your first order, so definitely check out Thredup, and thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. So I'm home now, sadly. I did not want that trip to end. I just got back yesterday, so this is my first day back. It said on the menu they didn't have the iced matcha latte. I was like, this is literally why I left my house. But anyway.
Happy there as well.
Okay.
Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Hold on, let me park. Whoa, they put a lot of cold foam. Let's try this. I got a venti iced matcha latte with oat milk and cold foam, and holy shit, I didn't even notice this. They gave me like half a drink. I mean, I love cold foam, but okay, it's really good. It is. I was talking a few months ago with a friend at school, and I was like, I never really go to Starbucks for matcha because it's like a hit or miss. Sometimes it's really good, sometimes it's bad. But ever since I said that, which was in April, that was, holy shit, that was 4 months ago. Ever since I said that, every time I get a matcha from Starbucks, it's been amazing. Like 10 out of 10, so I crave it all the time. They didn't have my usual sandwich, so I got this bacon, egg, I don't know. It's fine. I just posted my first post from this trip. I have actually a lot of pictures to post, which is kind of exciting. Open the windows, get a little summer vibe. Oh look, it's a little cup holder. So usually once I get back from a trip, I spend this whole first day doing nothing, sleeping in, staying in bed all day, doing some laundry, but not really. I think it's just that I'm on such a high when I'm on a trip that as soon as I get back, I'm like, oh my god, back to reality. But I don't have too many plans for today. I think I'm gonna just edit. I'm working on my previous video, which should already be up by the time you're watching this. It's pretty much all filmed. I just have to edit it now, but I really like this video, so I'm hoping it comes out really good. But I am literally in my pajamas right now, so it's gonna be a chill day. It is noon. I'm actually pretty proud of myself for getting out at noon. It's pink. So I made a trip to Target for groceries, and as I was picking stuff out, I found these pajama pants, and I have so many, but not in this color. So I was like, okay, cute. And then I looked across the aisle and saw this shirt, this light blue, like long sleeve. I was like, oh my god, that is so cute. So I decided to get it in like 5 colors. I literally just walked up and down the aisle and I was like, okay, yeah, this one. And pink would be cute. And I guess I should get brown. And fall's coming, so maroon will also be nice. Like, so you guys will be seeing this shirt a lot apparently, but I just thought that was funny. I have actually been pretty productive the last couple days. I got a really nice car wash thanks to my grandma. She hooked it up. I got like a full detail. It's all clean on the inside and outside. I went grocery shopping and I bought this shirt in like 5 colors. This is so realistic, what I'm about to show you. This is what my apartment is looking like right now. Got ready right here in the morning, had my coffee and a muffin. It's a disaster right here. I just had a meeting online, so I have my laptop, I have my iPad, because I was sketching. I made my coffee this morning, so my French press. This was my dinner last night, sour cream and onion chips. And then over here, this is all clean laundry I just haven't put away. Really nice little mess going here. And my bed is not made and hasn't been made. My apartment is never really that clean. I feel like I clean it really quickly before I film to give the impression that my space is clean, but this is how it looks usually. I'm also loving my outfit right now. I kind of just put this on. Top is from Target that I just got. I have a white sports bra on from Lululemon. These shorts, which I'm so obsessed with because they don't ride up at all and they're really comfy, are from Hollister. My everyday shoes with some white socks. And I'm also gonna grab my bag. I have a very exciting announcement to let you guys know very soon in the next couple videos. It is gonna be so exciting to announce. very exciting.
Nervous.
I know. These are some good options. I only have the animal ones too.
Wait, really? Is
yeah.
that like your collection?
My only one collection.
Oh,
this will be number 2.
These are all our
These
options.
Which one do you want the most?
I want the strawberry shortcake.
That one's really cute. This one's cute.
They're all really
They're
cute.
all, yeah, you can't go wrong. I think the mouse, probably the mouse, the duck.
And also
Yeah.
because we don't have any, so it's like...
Exactly. So whichever one I
worries.
get is perfect. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna open. I'm nervous. When did you get yours? Your first one?
Like the end of last year. Like there was some random shop at the mall and I was like, oh my gosh, I've seen these everywhere.
Now it's like people get in lines for these.
Yeah. I don't know if I follow them on Instagram, but I've seen their like Instagram page and they have so many different collections of them.
Really?
Yeah. They just came out with like a cat one. It's so cute.
Moment of truth,
Yep.
guys.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw yours.
No!
So cute. It's
Is
so
it?
cute.
Okay,
It's
good,
so
okay. Ready, set, go!
Stop! Wait, that's so
They're
cute.
so cute.
What?
They
Oh my god.
Wait, I love that. They match.
That's so cute.
That's so cute.
Wait, they literally match.
I love that. We picked the perfect
That's
ones.
so
cute.
Now I need to take a picture of it because I'm crazy.
I need to take a picture of them too.
How did we literally get the same?
I don't know. That's so lucky. Now we can add them
To our
collection.
second.
My second one. How many do you have?
a little too many.
Oh,
Maybe like 8.
stop! Really? My goals. It is 5:55. I love that. I just made it to my nail appointment and I'm sadly saying goodbye to this set. One of my favorite nail sets I've ever gotten. They're so cute, but I wanted to get my nails done before my birthday in 2 days. Made an appointment super last minute and they could squeeze me in, which was awesome. So I'm about to get my nails done. I think I know what I'm gonna get, but I'll show you guys after. I've had honestly such a good day. I can't wait to show you guys what I got shopping. It was so fun. I don't know how to feel about them. Like, are those cute? I don't know. They look kind of cute on camera. Maybe they're cute. It's not what I asked for, like, at all. And I had an inspiration picture and I was like, I don't know, it looks kind of like a hard design to do. She was like, oh yeah, I could do that. And I was like, okay, cool. And like, as she was doing it, I was like, okay, I'm trusting the process, you know? And I was like, that's not really right. And I asked her if she could add like these rhinestones and that kind of helped because by itself it was like really not right. I have another lash appointment. I know I just got my lashes done in my last video. They're supposed to last a couple weeks, but since I went to Cabo, I think they came out a lot quicker this time. Look at, can you guys see a difference between this eye and this eye? Like, I also think I'm gonna get my nails done, but I really like these, so I don't wanna let them go yet. And look at my tan. My tan is like my favorite accessory. So much better than they did before. Oh my gosh. Can you tell I'm not sleeping that well? Look at my fucking under eyes. That is so bad. It was actually raining while I was in my appointment, which is so fun. I love summer just because I love the heat, but I'm also a huge fall person because I love when the leaves change and like the fall air. The best thing is it's still hot where I live during fall. It's like really hot all the way until December, and I don't have to go back to school, which was like the one huge drawback of fall time, because as much as I love the season, I was always so stressed out. So today I I went shopping. I got a bunch of super cute stuff. First, I went to Brandy and look at this cute bag. I'm definitely gonna bring this to the beach. It is so cute. I got this little like zip up jacket. This will be so cute for fall. And then I got this plain white tank top to wear underneath. I'm not like a headband person, but I found this and I have a vision. It's so cute. Maybe I'll start wearing headbands or something. Also, they gave me a bunch of stickers. I got these beige shorts. And then lastly, I got these shorts. I love the stripes and these will be so cute to sleep in. Next, I went to Lululemon and I just got one thing. I have been obsessed with this sports bra that I got from Lululemon in one of my last videos. It is so comfy and like way more comfy than a regular bra. So I've been wearing it a lot, especially under shirts like this, so it kind of shows. So I decided to get it in another color. This blue is so pretty and perfect for summer. So I'm excited. I think it's really cute and I need more color in my closet. And then lastly, I went to Aritzia and I got one thing. The sports bra, by the way, I think was like $60. And then I got this vest from Aritzia for like 88. So with tax, it was like almost 100. And then I got a Sunny Angel. I got one of the animal ones. I have a little collection going, so this is number 2. Look how cute! Oh my god. It's so cute. So now I have these two. Huge collection, right? It was so funny when we opened these. They were literally matching. I like screamed and I know I'm just gonna remember today every time I see this one. Like that's such a good haul. I also got my nails done, which I showed you guys, and they're growing on me. I asked like a couple friends, I asked Enzo like, are these cute? Everyone said yes, so I'm just gonna say yeah, they're cute. I think with this shirt especially, like the pink looks so cute with them. I'm warming up a pizza for dinner. I had to try it on really quick. Look how cute this is. I love it. This little tank top and then the jacket. And then look, I have this brown scrunchie. Okay, my pizza's done, but it's so cute.